Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make an obstacle detector distance sensor using Arduino Uno R3 board and servo motor and ultrasonic distance sensor. In this project I am going to show you how to build a mini radar system using a servo motor and ultrasonic distance sensor and a buzzer. So guys, I have previously assembled all the things to show with you in a better manner. I have assembled all the things in breadboard with the help of jumper wire. First you have need a servo motor, then an ultrasonic distance sensor module, then a buzzer, and Arduino Uno R3 board and Arduino cable. Ultrasonic sensor has 4 pins: VCC, ground, trig and echo. Here how I connected them: VCC to 5 volt, ground to ground, trig to digital pin on Arduino pin number 10. This sent out the ultrasonic pulse. Echo to digital pin number 11. This receives the reflected pulse to calculate distance. This sensor measures how far an object is in front of the radar. Buzzer. I am using an active buzzer which only needs power to make a sound. I connected the positive pin plus to digital pin number 8 on Arduino and the negative pin minus to ground. When an object comes closer, the buzzer beeps faster. When it's further away, it beeps slower. Breadboard overview. Here's how I set everything up on the breadboard. Servo connected to 5 volt and ground and pin number 30. Ultrasonic sensor triggered to pin number 10. Echo to pin number 11. Power to 5 volt. Ground to ground. And buzzer positive to pin 8. Ground to ground. I powered everything through the Arduino USB port, keeping it simple and portable. So now I am uploading the code in the Arduino and let's check. So I have written a Arduino code that makes the servo sweep like a radar, detects obstacle within 30 cm, stops the servo when an object is too close, and makes the buzzer beep faster the closer the object is. It also prints the distance on the serial monitor. If you want, I will give the full code in the description box below. So let's check it. When an obstacle came in the ultrasonic sensor, it will beep. When I take it, the beep stops. And when I take it to the ultrasonic sensor, and it will beep. And when I take it, the beep stops. I have made this code where it shows obstacle distance. So that's it, this is my video. I hope you enjoyed building this Arduino radar project with me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. This is Mr. Tekton signing off.